We judge people within the first 7 seconds, some studies even say the first 3 seconds, because our brains are wired for survival, not accuracy. Here's what happens, psychologically and neurologically. When we meet someone, the brain activates a mechanism called thin slicing. In just a few seconds, it collects micro cues: posture, tone of voice, facial expression, eye contact, clothing, even smell. From these details, it builds a quick assessment. Are they friendly or threatening, confident or insecure, trustworthy or not? It's an evolutionary system inherited from our ancestors, who had to decide instantly whether a stranger was a friend or a danger. The amygdala, the brain region that processes fear and emotions, reacts immediately to faces and social signals. Before the rational cortex can think things through, the amygdala has already made an emotional judgment. Only afterward does conscious reasoning come into play. Appearances matter, more than we think. Social psychology research shows that it takes only seconds to form a lasting impression of someone, and that these first impressions are remarkably resistant to change, even with new information. This is known as the primacy effect. What we perceive first tends to stick the longest. We judge within 7 seconds because the brain must quickly assess safety. It relies on mental shortcuts and stereotypes, and first impressions solidify as emotional truths. In other words, rapid judgment is a survival strategy, not necessarily a fair one. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and follow other interesting videos. Thanks.